Well, I've been requested to do a video of birds a while ago, and I forgot, sorry. But here's what's in this cage. Don't ask me what they are. They're just rats with wings on them as far as I know. Not very active today, it's pretty hot. Yes, hello. There we go, I've upset them. See, they're still alive. And this is this cage. I think they think I'm going to get them with hose. Might do that later, it's pretty hot. I don't know what these are either. Birds aren't my thing. They just make noise and annoy me. I know that's a dove. Yeah, here's another one. I think that one's pretty. I think those two are related actually. Not sure. There we go. Hope this video wasn't too boring. Now look, the cat's interested in birds too. But yeah, there's some birds for you.